Today we are going to learn about the digestive system. Our body is a crazy thing. There are so many things going on in our body. Let's get started. Your digestive system starts with the mouth, which masticates or chews your food. When you eat, the food is then cut in half by your uvula. It's kind of like a punching bag. Your throat or pharynx is the passageway that connects the oral and nasal cavities with the esophagus. This is divided into three parts: the nasopharynx, the oropharynx, and the hypopharynx, also known as your voice box. Chew, gulp, gulp. We chew and swallow our food to get it down to our tummies. Now let's see what's next in our digestive system. The stomach is an expandable sac-like vessel located between the esophagus and small intestines. The three main sections of the stomach are the fundus, the body, and the pylorus. The pyloric sphincter regulates the gentle release of food from the stomach into the small intestine. Once the chyme has been formed in the stomach, the pyloric sphincter relaxes to release food into the first part of the small intestine, called the duodenum. Multiple circular folds in the small intestines, called plicae, contain thousands of tiny projections called villi. The small intestine is the jejunum, and the distal part is the ileum. The duodenojejunal flexure is the border between the first two sections of the small intestines. Now your food will move from the small intestine to the large intestine. In the large intestine, some of the water and electrolytes are removed from the food. No further digestion occurs in the large intestine. Feces begin to form in the large intestine. The muscular bands called teniaculi that contract lengthwise and form the bulges in the colon called haustra. The feces are released through the internal and external anal sphincters. The internal sphincter is a muscle movement that is involuntary, while the external sphincter is a voluntary muscle. The anus, the anorectal junction, and its junction with the rectum is where the feces are held until it is released completely from the body. When feces is released from the body, it is called a bowel movement or defecation. The food makes the poop go through. The end.